Act like you've been there before, young fellow. Act like you've been there before, young fellow. Welcome to Crappie TV. Well, your host today is Captain King and
Kingfish, man. Y'all know where I'm at.
yes, sir. So thank you guys for joining and tuning in to our channel today. If you hadn't subscribed to our channel, please do. Hit the subscribe button, hit the comment button, leave comments. Also hit that like button and be sure to share with your friends. With that being said and done, stay with us. Alright, y'all, that's all I got to say. Tough sled today, tough sled.
Man, we trying to get film out here, man, so we can practice and, critique and all that kind of stuff, but it's kind of hard to watch film when you catch a big old fish like this. Get that camera, honestly. Oh, yeah. Shout out to Crappie Head, man. You know we out here using your slab braid, man. It's efficient, it works. I really like it, man. Hey, y'all go check him out. He's a fisherman as well. He does this thing, dude, crazy. Hey, we appreciate you, Crappie Head. Put him on the board. That's what we say. We're bringing him in today. Yes, sir. Let's go. So your body can hear you.
Got him! My main man, Kingfish. The cats are back together again. Y'all better watch out. Stay tuned. I love this dude. Oh my goodness! Slinging! Lifting. Slab braid kicking.
Hey, Crappie Head, you on to something, man. The slab braid out here going crazy.
All right, man, all right.
Boys out here clowning, man. That's how you do it right there. Hey, once again, go check out Crappie Head TV, man. Good buddy of ours, man. His braid is legit. Pull in slabs, man. Go check him out, man. Get some of his apparel and gear, stuff like that, man. Hey, got him! apologize. We got a boat flip now, man. Can't let him get off.
JK doing it, ain't it?
I'm telling you, that AKA not play. Big brain don't play.
Mike. Beautiful white crappie. It's a beautiful white crappie.
Oh. Hey, man. That's how you do it right there, man. Hey, it's your boy Kingfish coming to you live, YouTube. Hey, man, we killed it today, man. Me and my man Cap had a great day on the lake today. Weather was a little choppy early in the day, but it kind of chilled out later on in the evening. But, man, that's how we caught some fish today. We caught some fish today. That's how you fish right there. Got them. Times 10, times 11, times 35. Got them. That's how you do it right there, man. So, hey, once again, make sure y'all go like, subscribe. We're gonna keep them videos coming y'all way. Hey, keep supporting us, man. And once again, if you wanna be a part of this and have some of this going on, y'all know summertime around the corner. Go ahead and book your trip today. Crappie Cats TV guide service on our website. Make sure y'all check it out. Follow us on Instagram, Crappie Cats TV _Don King, and also on YouTube. Obviously, keep subscribing, and hey, man, we're gonna keep them videos coming y'all way, and hopefully y'all can get on these fish just like us, man. This could be you right now instead of me. I ain't caught fish before. I'm at like I ain't. Let me chill, relax, Kingfish. But yeah, this could be you right here catching all these fish, man. But hey, once again, thank y'all for the support. We're gonna keep them videos coming. Hey, sit down. My bad. But we're gonna keep them videos coming y'all way, man. Keep supporting them, man. We love y'all. We out, baby.